Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will be taking you through step 2 in our procedure for installing a new car stereo. In this step, we will need to remove the holding plate screws. And on this particular model, there are 2 screws that are holding our old radio in. These 2 particular screws use a Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out. And you want to be sure to hang on to these because we may need them for our new stereo. Now on our old stereo, we used a Phillips head bit to get those retaining screws out. You might also have a flat head, a star head, or an Allen head that will need to be used to remove the retaining bolts of your car stereo.